Shines TV, you feel me? So we back at it again with another video for y'all boys. And you feel me, this video, as y'all can see, by the water on the windows, it's raining outside. So in today's video, we finna be sliding every corner in the rain. So I ain't gonna hold y'all up too much. Without any further ado, we finna go ahead and get started with this bit. We already cut the traction off and stuff. Here go the first corner. You feel me? Bitch telling that hoe. I'm gonna have to go at an angle right here. I ain't gonna even fake. Cause this bit is gonna scrape every time. This bitch still sound good though. What way we gonna go now? I guess we can make a left. Yes, sir. What y'all know about sliding that bit in the rain? I'll wait. I was gonna turn right there. But fuck it. We ain't gonna turn right there. We'll turn up here. Cause I don't really know what them roads is anyway. That road looks so slippery. It look like a slip and slide. Why is they sitting here waiting? Woo! These people looking at me like I'm crazy. I guess we'll make another left. What we gonna do? Go ahead and hit that right motherfucker. Make a left. Oh shit. That's a little cul-de-sac. I ain't gonna go over there. That's an ugly ass Charger. It like he was playing GTA. He got his inspiration for GTA. That boy got the off-road. It like he got red off-road wheels on the goddamn Charger. I know y'all know what I'm talking about if y'all play GTA. Terrible ass roads. And y'all let me know. Well, if y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? We trying to go ahead and hit this 2,000 subscriber mark, and we trying to go ahead and hit monetization, you feel me? So, you feel me? We can go ahead and be making money on YouTube, you feel me? Giving y'all boy what y'all want and adding a new car to the channel, you feel me? But y'all let me know how y'all like these videos. Do y'all mess with the sliding in every turn in the rain? Let me know. I don't even know where I'm at, y'all. And if y'all be doing videos like this, make sure y'all are in manual mode. Do not be in automatic mode trying to slide. You will crash out. No kizzy. hop in the Hellcat and get busy. Let's see what we gonna do. We gonna make a little. Woo! You gotta hold that wheel. You gotta hold that motherfucker. My intrusive thoughts were about to get to me, but I don't like scaring people. Dog, don't run your ass in the road, bitch. You already know cats always win them dog fight, nigga. We in that motherfucking cat. Damn, I don't even know where the hell I'm at now. I just know these are some garbage ass roads. I guess we can make a goddamn left in that bill. Walk that bit down the street. Oh, we right here. About a park. Let's see. Make sure ain't no goddamn car coming. Woo! We had to get some angle on that one. I don't feel like the police is even be out when it be raining. I feel very comfortable sliding right now because it's raining. And if the police do pull me over, I'm not running from the ass in the rain. I'm gonna tell that goddamn shit. I ain't drove this car in a while. I ain't know that bitch was gonna get sideways like this. Oh God. I ain't know that bitch was gonna be doing that bitch, dog. All these people know I'm doing this on purpose. They probably looking in their rearview mirror like, oh, that guy don't know what he's doing. Oh my God, he shouldn't have a car like that. Nah, nigga, I know exactly what I'm doing. I know exactly what I'm doing, my guy. Gonna make that left. We're gonna make that motherfucker right. And we in there. Y'all don't know nothing about that cat, boy. Oh shit, he messing up my turn, y'all. The boy messed up my turn with that big ass truck. We're gonna go now. We're gonna make a right. Then we're gonna make another left. But alright, y'all, that's gonna be it for this video. I ain't trying to go too much longer with doing this, because you feel me, I don't want to get too hyped up. I might overdo it and wrap that bit around the motherfucking pole. You feel me? So that's gonna be it for this video, y'all. If y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what, do y'all mess with this video? Do y'all like this video? Also, let me know what type of videos y'all want to see me do. Do y'all want to see me vlog like a day in the life of a Hellcat owner? Like, just talk to me in the comments. I promise I respond to every comment I try. So feel free to text your boy. I'm gonna respond. You feel me? I'm engaged with y'all. You feel me? I mess with y'all. So goddamn, that'll be it for this video. Shit, I'm out. Peace.